Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Obenrader again, and we're back today to learn a couple more numbers, actually a few more numbers, because it's actually 3 numbers that we're going to write. We're going to write a number 1, we're going to practice a number 3, and we're going to practice a number 5. So yesterday we looked at a 0, a 2, and a 4, and today we're going to practice 1, 3, and 5. And we're going to use those same poems. And the first number we're going to do is pretty simple. So I've got my tray again, and on my tray I have 1 car. So that would be the number 1. And number 1 is very simple. Go straight down and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Let's try it again. Go straight down and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Try it one more time. Say the poem with me. Go straight down and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. All right, very good. And now our next number that we're going to do is the number, let's count our objects. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 objects on my tray. So this one's a little different. So I'm just going to draw a little picture here, and I'm going to make a little, if you guessed it, I'm making little trees is what I'm doing, just to practice making our 3 to begin with. So I made a little tree to go along with our rhyme today for the number 3. It says, around a tree and around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. So now this time, I'm not going to have my trees there, and I'm just going to think in my head and say that poem. Around a tree and around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. Excellent. I hope you are enjoying doing that. Now say the poem with me one more time. Around a tree and around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. Nice work. I'm so glad you're working so hard and trying your very best. Remember, if you're not making it correctly yet, you will get there with more practice, because practice makes progress. I love it. All right, and now I'm going to add a couple more objects on my tray, and let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we're going to make that tricky 5, and we have a poem to go with that too. Here it goes. Take a dive, swim around. To make 5, come back to ground. So think about it. We dove in, we swam around, and then we had to come back to the ground. Or there's another poem that had one too. It said, short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. So that's another little poem we have. But let's try that one again. Here we go. Take a dive, swim around. To make a 5, come back to ground. Wow! So now we have learned how to make the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are so many numbers that you can make now by using those numbers. Maybe try making your phone number, and you might have numbers in there that we didn't actually practice writing, but by writing them, that will be practice to make progress. Boys and girls, I hope you keep practicing the number 1, the number 3, and the number 5 today, and enjoy it. Boys and girls, it's been fun writing numbers. We'll see you soon. Bye.